Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build your own Forex market indicator in a few simple steps. You can use this indicator for your own needs if you want, but if you have an idea for a really good indicator, you can sell it to others and earn some extra money. Well, you know that good indicator might cost $100, and because it is estimated that more than 10 million traders are trading on Forex market, so the market is really good, really huge. You can just do good business. You can sell it through e-commerce, shop, whatever, put hundreds, thousands of indicators, put price or any one of them, and just leave it. Let the money flow into your bank account. But before I do it, I invite you to like my channel and press the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive notifications about the new videos on my channel, and every time I post it, you will get it straight away to your mailbox. So let's start the rock and roll. Right now I'm on the page of the indicator builder. It's on the webpage eabuilder.com. You can find the link below if you want. They offer free indicators over here. You can make as many as you want. You can sell them. You can use them for your own use. You can use it for business. You can make up the web page and put hundreds and hundreds of indicators there and just put the prices through any web commerce platform, you use e-commerce shop, whatever, and just put it and leave it and wait till the money starts flowing into your bank account. Okay, so here we are. And we start very simple, very intuitive. We can open here, new indicator. We can go straight away from here. And let me show you in a few steps how to do it within a minute. Okay, so we have to add condition of our indicator first. We got indicator buffer here. We add condition. And what indicator I'm going to show you today is, it's indicator will show us where two relative stress index values cross each other. So let's say we've got one RSI with a period of 14 and another RSI we make with a period of, let's say, 55. Okay, so let's start it. So we choose on the left hand side of indicator buffer. You can use it indicators, price, candlesticks. You can put custom code over here if you know how to do it. But we start with simple indicator. It's just, to show you how to do it. We go to RSI. We click RSI. Our condition is when relative strength index crosses above another relative strength index, which is here. Here we got 14 apply to close current. Here we said we will do RSI 55. Okay, so we got it. Let's have a look what is here. Shift relief 0, apply to close, shift 0, everything is okay. Done. Boom. Okay, so now we have found something which will show us what to do. We are clicking here and gives us the opportunity to show how our indicator looks like, what type. It's arrow indicator. We got histogram, section, line, known, zigzag, whichever you use. We choose arrow as it shows at default value. The width, I propose 5 because it's bigger. 1 is too small. Color, let's say we put green to get it visible. Click OK. Time frame current, candlestick. Well, maybe not current. Where we do it? Close candlestick. Candlestick value we apply to close. And that's it. It's done. Now let's call it. Let's change the name. RSI crosses 55. Okay. And we save it. but we save it. So we got the name. Now we have to save a whole indicator. We go to source. In the source, we got the whole code. It's nothing, confidential over here. So you can see how the code looks like. You can analyze it if you know something about it. I haven't got a clue about coding, so... and now we press download, and it goes straight to our download folder. So now we have to put it in our MT4 platform. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm already in my folder where I saved this RSI, and let's copy it to the folder with the data. Okay, so we can do it. Or copy, for example, we go to the folder data. Well, if you don't know how to open the folder data, I'll show you right now. When you are on MT4 indicator, you go to File, Open Data folder, go MQL4, Indicators, and here we go. And we paste our indicator over here. So we paste it. Let's have a look how it looks like. We got an old indicator here. We take it off. We close. We go here. We have to refresh our indicator folder because we pasted it already when the MT4 was running, and we are looking for our RSI 14x55. Here we go. So we press OK, and we got our indicator ready. As you see, we got arrows showing us where those RSI close. So pretty nice, pretty simple. Guys, I encourage you to try this nice indicator builder, and just let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Is it any good or not? It is working, or is it just BS? You can also try this EA builder as I told you about. Unfortunately, this one is paid. You can find another EA builder which is for free on FX Dreamer. I got another movie about it. I got another video made about preparing this EA builder, this how to build an expert advisor for the Forex market. So you can check in the link below. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel or give me a like. If you didn't like it, just let me know. Write in the comment, whatever. I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.